Hello! Today we'll review two similar terms, therapeutic window and therapeutic index. They are easily confused, especially because the therapeutic window can be called an index in medical texts. A therapeutic window is a range of doses or concentrations of a drug product that produce the therapeutic effect, but are not associated with unacceptable adverse effects or toxicity. The wider the therapeutic window, the better. Here is a graph illustrating the concept of therapeutic window. You can see the dose on the horizontal axis and the response or effect on the vertical axis. The green curve represents the therapeutic effect, and the red curve shows the adverse effect. You can see that the therapeutic window starts with the minimum effective dose. You have the therapeutic effect, but no adverse effect. And this range ends with the maximum tolerated dose. If you exceed the maximum tolerated dose, the adverse effects become intolerable. Remember that this is a visual representation of pharmacological concept, not a graph based on real data. Now to the therapeutic index. It is a ratio of a dose that causes toxic effects in 50% of patients, the so-called TD50 dose, to a dose that produces therapeutic effect in 50% of the population, the so-called ED50 dose. The higher the therapeutic index, the safer the drug product. A term therapeutic ratio can be used instead of therapeutic index. Let's go back to our graph. You can see the ED50 dose and the TD50 dose here. ED50 is the dose that produces therapeutic effect in 50% of the patients, and TD50 is the dose that causes toxic effects in 50% of the patients. As you can see, therapeutic window and therapeutic index are completely different characteristics. Therapeutic window is a range of doses with units of measurement, and therapeutic index is a non-dimensional ratio. At the same time, both are used to quantify safety of a drug product. The therapeutic index is less dependent on individual patient traits. Thank you for watching. Which terms would you like us to explain in the next video? Leave a comment.